JoyWarrior 28A12L is a USB joystick controller for analog joysticks with up to 4 axes, each with 12-bit resolution. It comes in a QFN28 package or as a DIL28 module. Only a few additional components are required, and we offer a module that has the additional components already installed, so you need only to add the electromechanical parts and a USB cable. The inputs work with 0 to 3.3 volts and can also be used with many types of sensors, including POTS and Hall effect sensors. The analog signals are oversampled 16 times and filtered internally to produce a very stable result. Up to 8 buttons can be connected directly, or up to 16 buttons in a 4x4 matrix. There are 4 auxiliary outputs that can be used for indicators or other purposes. The outputs can be switched to a static mode or a blink mode, and JoyWarrior 28A12L works with the standard system drivers. For more information, please visit our website.